Hey, today in operating systems, I will explain about replacement policy, FIFO. What is FIFO? I never heard that word before. First and foremost, FIFO is a page replacement algorithm that treats the page frames as a queue, circular buffer. The oldest page in memory is the first to be replaced. You might be wondering how it works, right? When a new page needs to be loaded but memory is full, the page that entered first, longest in memory, is to be removed. But how to implement it in real life? It is very simple. To implement, we use a queue or circular array to track the order of pages. To deep dive in this topic, we are going to show you an analogy and scenario of FIFO. Now let's get into it. Before we talk about FIFO, here's something you need to know first. Your computer has something called memory. You can imagine it like a shelf with boxes. Each box is called a frame, and it holds a small piece of data called a page. When you open a program, it gets split into many pages, and these pages are stored in the shelf, or memory. But the shelf has limited space. If a new page needs to be added and the shelf is full, the computer must remove one of the old pages to make room for the new one. How does it decide which page to remove? That's where something called a page replacement algorithm comes in. And today, we'll learn the simplest one, FIFO, just like standing in line to buy a movie ticket. Imagine you go to the cinema to purchase a ticket for a movie, then another person behind you also purchase a ticket to watch movies. Then, the line is getting longer and longer. First, starts with Sam, then John, then Mike. When Sam passes through the ticket entry, John starts to buy the tickets, followed by Mike. So the line represents circular list of pages in order which pages were loaded into the memory. Sam represent the first page, John represent the second page, meanwhile Mike represent the third page. Now let's say the cinema is a private high-end cinema with limited seats. When memory is full and the new VIP arrives named Silly, FIFO will remove the oldest VIP from memory to make space for Silly. So Sam will be removed to let the new VIP Silly comes in. This analogy resembles how FIFO, first in first out, works, which the page that has been in the memory the longest will be the first to removed when new data needs to be loaded. Now let's look at the page address stream. The first four addresses are the same, so we just insert the number accordingly. Then we insert page address number 6. The longest address will be removed, which is 2. So we remove 2 and insert 1. Then followed by 5. Now we remove 3. Next address number is just the same as previous, so we just copy. The next page address now is 4, and we remove 6. Then, the following number is already in the box, so we just copy. Lastly, the page address now is 2, then we remove the longest address, which is 1. Overall, we have 4 over 12 page fault after the frame allocation is initially filled. Thank you for watching.